Hi friends, it's me Stace, and today we're actually making a crafty project. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I just got the Cricut Joy Extra delivered, everything is set up, and I want to try the machine out, so I thought I would come on Design Space and share with you. So I'm already inside Design Space. The upper left-hand corner in that search box, I'm going to type in t-shirt, then click on enter. So the first category we have are images, next we have projects, and that's the one I want. So I'm going to choose this one right here that says Choose Joy. Click on that, you'll see it brings up a preview. Bottom right hand corner, choose where it says edit a copy. That's going to bring that design inside Design Space for us. All right, there's our design there. And I'm putting this on a jammy shirt, so I don't need it to be too big. So right now it is 6 inches tall, and I think that's a good size. All right, on the upper right hand corner, I'm going to choose Make, and I'm going to choose Not to Save the Project. And I'm going to choose Without a Mat because I am using HTV vinyl, and choose Confirm. And I'm on my left hand side, because we're using HTV, you want to reverse your image or mirror it. So I'm going to check that box that says mirror, and I'm going to move this over a little bit and then choose on the bottom right, continue. Give it a second to find the machine. All right, we are going to choose our material. We're going to choose Smart Iron On, and you'll see a warning pops up making sure your mirror is turned on, which it is. I'm going to go to the machine, load our vinyl, we'll cut it out, weed it, and then we'll use the heat press and apply it to a t-shirt. So I'll see you guys at the table. All right, so here we are with the Joy, and I have, what came with the machine was a piece of transfer tape, gold HTV, then we have black Smart Vinyl, a white Smart Label, and also a black Smart Vinyl. All right, so we're using HTV, and you will see there's a glossy side and there's a matte side. You want to put the glossy side on your mat or face down. Let's go and load that in there. And I'll probably have to go on the computer, so give me a second to do that. Okay, I chose go, so it should start to cut. Right now on the computer it says finalizing. And we're going to need our transfer tape to weed this design out. And also the machine came with this little weeding tool. So we're going to try that out as well. I already have my heat press preheated to 300 degrees. And I'm just applying this on a jammy shirt, just to test the machine out, test the vinyl, make sure everything works. Okay, I think we're just about done. All right, I'm going to go ahead and choose unload on the computer. Okay, so we can set this aside. And I'm going to grab some scissors and just cut that design down some. All right, and we're going to weed this out. So I like taking the corner. There is a cover on this. All right, take the corner and just kind of poke at it, just to release it a little bit. To separate it. All right, then go ahead and peel this off. And with heat transfer vinyl, if this is your first project, I do recommend trying a heat transfer vinyl. The vinyl is much more forgiving than your regular adhesive vinyl. Did a beautiful job cutting the vinyl out, which Cricut usually does. All right, now I'm just going to take that weeding tool and just grab the inside of our letters. I like this weeding tool. I'll probably lose it because it's so small, but I do like it. All right. A few more to go. I enjoy the weeding process. I find it to be really relaxing. So leave me a comment. Do you guys enjoy the HTV projects? What's the last thing you made with HTV? All right, so I'm gonna flip it over and just make sure everything looks good, and it does. And now we're gonna take the transfer tape that came with the, actually I don't think we need to use the transfer tape. I think we just apply it just like this on our shirt. Yeah, I'm gonna hit pause over here, take you guys to the heat press, and we'll apply it to our t-shirt. All right, we are now at my heat press. I already have my shirt on here. I'm just gonna preheat it just for about 5 seconds or so. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I have my collar here. I'm actually gonna put it on an angle a little bit. So you can see that on an angle right there. And I will take a piece of Teflon just to kind of go over that. Now we're going to put that back in and we're going to go down. So my heat press is set to 300 degrees for 15 seconds. All right, it is done. Let's take it out and then we're going to peel it off to see how we did. Now before I take my shirt off, I'm actually going to take the plastic sheet. You can see it didn't really adhere too well, so I'm going to give it a minute. It might be a cool peel. I'm not quite sure with the Cricut vinyl. So I'm going to give it a few seconds just to kind of set up for a minute and see. So just test it by peeling. You can see peeling it up, it's not really sticking. So I'm going to go back in for a few more minutes or a few more seconds. It's been a long time since I worked with vinyl. But you can go back on my channel. I've done quite a few vinyl videos, regular vinyl as well as heat transfer vinyl. All right. All right, let's give it a second to kind of cool off a little bit. Just kind of waving the shirt because this platform is really, really hot. It does retain the heat for sure. Just kind of cooling it off a little bit. Now, if you don't have a heat press, you can certainly use a household iron. Just have it on high with no steam. And just apply your iron and make sure you move your iron. Not leaving it in one spot too long. All right, let's going to try this. Oh, much better this time. Okay. So yeah, this is probably a cold peel with the Cricut. So I'm going to give it a second to kind of cool off a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. It's coming off nice and easy. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it on there, and I'm going to press it again, just to really make sure that vinyl is secured to that shirt. So once again, take your Teflon sheet, put that in there, and we're going to press it down for about maybe 5-10 seconds. Okay, that should be good. All right, and there we have our design on our Jamie shirt. Look how cute that is. Can you see? Choose Joy. Right there, right? Super cute. All right, my friends, there you have it. Playing with the Cricut Joy Extra with vinyl HTV on a t-shirt. Any questions at all, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.